Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wondered how to create dynamic, repeating layouts for your website, like rows of testimonials, product cards, or team profiles, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. We're diving into how to use repeaters in Wix Studio, a powerful feature that lets you build flexible sections where every item looks consistent but shows different content. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to set up a repeater, customize its style, and add content that automatically syncs across all the repeating items. Let's jump right in and make your site shine. First things first, let's get a repeater onto your page. In Wix Studio, start by heading over to the Add Element panel. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side of your workspace. It's your main toolbox for building with Wix. From here, choose Quick Add, which gives you streamlined access to some of the most useful components. Now look for the repeater option. Just give that a click and Wix will instantly add a repeater to your canvas. It might look a little plain at first, a row or grid of identical boxes, but this is where the magic starts. The repeater is essentially a template that can display multiple sets of content in a uniform way. For example, if you want every product card on your shop to have the same look and feel, but show different images or descriptions, the repeater handles all of that for you. Now, before we add any content, let's talk customization. With your new repeater selected, you'll notice a suite of styling options. You can change the color, background, the border style, spacing, almost anything. The cool part is when you tweak the style of one item in the repeater, all the others instantly follow suit. This keeps your design clean and coherent without having to adjust each item individually. Say you want a soft gray background or a bold, colorful border, the choice is yours and the repeater applies it everywhere. Take a moment here to experiment. Don't worry if you're not sure about the color at first. You can always click undo or change things again as you go. Think of the repeater as your paint roller. It lets you apply style across many canvases with one swipe. Alright, let's make it interactive by adding some actual content. Inside your repeater, look for the Add Text option. Drag a text element into the repeater box just like you would with any regular section. Here, where you'll see the magic, as soon as you place that first text element, Wix Studio automatically duplicates it across every column or item in the repeater. This is perfect for scenarios like listing team members, services, or reviews. Imagine you run a bakery and want to show off multiple cupcakes, add a title and description for one item, and all the other slots will match in structure, waiting for their unique details. If you ever want to change the wording for just one item, you can do that too. Wix gives you flexibility while keeping things organized. If you don't see your content updating right away, don't worry. It might just take a moment to refresh, or you may need to double-check that you've placed your element inside the repeater itself, not outside. That's a common mistake when you're starting out, so take your time and look for the little blue highlight that shows you're in the right spot. And there you go. With repeaters, you now have a tool that makes scalable, uniform design incredibly simple on Wix Studio. Add more elements, images, buttons, whatever you need, and watch as your content stays beautifully consistent across the board. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'm always here to troubleshoot or hear about your Wix projects. And if you want more easy, practical tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy building in Wix Studio.